Good evening guys, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo ang mga requirements kapag nagkaroon na ng ah, quota sa BJMP, yung mga general qualifications for appointment to Jail Officer 1. Ang una ay a citizen of the Republic of the Philippines. Ibig sabihin nito kailangan ay residence ka ng bansa natin, Pilipinas. Dapat ikaw ay Filipino of course. Next ay a person of good moral character. Ito yung NBI, police, barangay. Dapat no derogatory record ka, wala kang record. Wala ka rin dapat record sa MTC, RTC, saka sa prosecutor's office. Next ay must have passed the neuropsychiatric evaluation, medical examination, and drug test for the purpose of determining his her physical and mental health. Yun, mapagdadaanan naman ito sa process ng recruitment dito sa BGMP. Yung neuro exam, isa sa pinakamahirap na pagdadaanan kapag applicant ka ng bureau. Next naman ay must possess a baccalaureate degree from recognized institution of learning. Dapat 4 years graduate, college ka ng any 4-year course. Tapos must possess appropriate eligibility. Second level eligibilities. Ito yung mga CSE professional, yung civil service passer, RA 1080, ito yung mga board passer. Tapos ay penology officer examination, ito yung kino-conduct ng civil service. Yung penology exam na exclusive lang para sa pag-apply sa BJMP. Next naman ay must not have been dishonorably discharged or dismissed from previous employment. Yun, dapat sa mga previous employment mo, maganda yung record mo. Next naman ay must not have been convicted by final judgment of an offense or crime involving moral turpitude. Yun, dapat hindi ka convicted sa mga moral turpitude na crime. Ang example ng mga moral turpitude ay mga murder, rape, kidnapping, yung may mga capital offense. Next ay must not be less than 21 or more than 30 years of age. Dapat 21 pataas ka at hindi rin lampas ng 30 years old unless a waiver for age requirement shall be automatically granted to applicants belonging to the cultural communities. May age waiver po para sa mga member ng cultural communities. Itanong nyo na lang po sa regional office kung saan kayo naka-assign about dito. Must be at least 1 meter and 57 centimeters in height for male and 1 meter and 52 centimeters in height for female. A waiver for height requirement shall be automatically granted to applicants belonging to the cultural communities. Dapat sa babae ay doon sa bagong batas na pinatubad ni President Duterte, ang minimum height requirement sa babae ay 5 feet. Sa lalaki naman ay 5'2". At meron ding dito, yung kapag kinulang ka sa height, meron ding height waiver para sa mga cultural communities. Must weigh not more than or less than 5 kilograms from the standard weight corresponding to his or her height, age, and sex. Ito yung tinatawag na body mass index. Dapat kung anong height mo ay proportion dapat ang timbang at height mo. Yan yung body mass index. Masusukat nyo yan meron naman dyan sa mga Google, i-search nyo lang kung paano measure yung inyong body mass index. Must be physically and mentally fit for rigid training. Siyempre, dapat physical and mentally fit ka. Kasi medyo mahirap ang training kapag papasok ka sa bureau. And then, bring 2 pieces passport size picture with name tag, result of HEPA-B screening, Ishihara test, 21 plates, and visual acuity test. Ito yung sa initial medical evaluation. Ito yung process dito sa itong mga nabanggit kong requirements. Example, ito sa regional namin sa Calabarzon. Siguro naman ay pare-pares lang dito sa lahat ng region sa buong Pilipinas. Ito naman yung kapag magpapasa ka ng folder, yung tinatawag na initial folder requirements for J1 applicants. Ang una mong i-attach ay handwritten personal data sheet, revised 2007. Meron naman ito sa Google. Yun, kapag gagawa ka ng PDS, dapat handwritten, hindi yung typewritten. Next ay photocopy of transcript of records, photocopy of college diploma, photocopy of birth certificate issued by PSA, yung birth certificate mo galing PSA, magdala ng original, photocopy of certificate of eligibility for board rating and PRCID. Ito yung mga second level eligibilities na kailangan natin. Next ay photocopies of valid clearance from permanent and residential address. Ito yung mga NBI, police, barangay, MTC, RTC, and prosecutor. Bring the original copies of your valid clearance saka for our picture. Photocopy of valid and valid community tax certificate. Ito yung cedula natin. Tapos photocopy ng certificate of employment. Ito yung mga napagtrabahuhan natin. Yung dapat mayroon kang COE. Photocopies of certificate of seminars and trainings. Ito yung kung meron man kayong seminars at trainings. Photocopy of marriage certificate if married and birth certificate of children. Photocopy of certificate of confirmation from NCIP, NCMF if needed. Ito yung certificate na kailangan sa height at age waiver. Tapos magdala rin kayo ng 4 pieces passport size picture with name tag. Yan. Maraming salamat po. Yan po yung mga general qualifications for appointment to Jail Officer 1 at saka yung initial folder requirements for Jail Officer 1. Thank you.